So this steering wheel is off of a 1999 Chevy Silverado. You've seen us talk about these before because we do so many of them. It's kind of near and dear to my heart because back in the heyday of the van and truck conversion industry, which is basically gone for the most part, we used to do thousands of this particular steering wheel on those old van and truck conversion packages. And so we go in on this one just like any of them. Of course, this came in, as you see from the before pictures, just worn out, the leather just hanging off in places, and it looks better than factory new now. We've gone in, not only taken the old leather off, but cleaned up the steering wheel. We then went in, put the new leather on. The leather we use is a very high-end premium automotive grade leather. As you can tell just by looking at it, you can tell that it feels amazing. And it's got that hand-stitched baseball stitching in there that just really is, in my opinion, the best utility stitch out there. It does not give away, it does not wear out, whereas some of the other stitches are more aesthetic. This one is not only good looking, it's also, the utility of it is amazing. So just want you to always know that at Craft Customs, we do every steering wheel in the world, every steering wheel. So reach out to us. We can answer any questions, give you any pricing, and give you turnaround times at the time, which does vary a little bit based on how many orders are in-house. But if you would, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and follow us on our channels, craftcustoms.com. We're here to serve you.